Okay, we have had this issue so often until we get a new one, but we can temporarily fix it. It does not cycle, and I'll show you in a minute, but it happens so often. We left this cover off, and I just want to show you how to get the cover off. You see the screws. Let's see. There's a screw there, and a screw there, and then it pulls out. It's not focusing. There we go. And it pulls out with this little lip. And then I just set it, I've been setting it down. So that's now exposed. Now what happened was, it did fill, the water is now full, and the machine is running. The dryer side, this is a stackable Kenmore. Where'd the Kenmore go? There it is. And the power is on. So the dryer does work. But as you see, this will not cycle. So what we do is, now there's these screws. Take two screws. We've already taken them out, and I've just left the screws out because we have to now do this every time. And there's two screws over there. And now that electrical panel will come out. It just pulls out. Oh, no, I forgot about one. There's one more panel. So I'm going to set this down. And I just took that screw out. And now all the wires will be exposed. As you see here, there's a dryer. I don't know what year this is. And if you have somebody to hold it, that would be great. But simply, I'm going to actually rest this. And there we go. Ha ha ha. You can do it yourself, lady. Okay, it's that little booger right there that's the issue. It comes loose. Now, once I click on this, oh, make sure that this is open. This is on. Make sure that's pulled out. And I hadn't pulled it out. I pulled it in or pushed it in, trying to show you it is pulled back out, so it should be running right now. But as you can hear, it's not. So it's this little booger, and we just tap on it. That's all it is. And we'll see if it... There it is. Now it's cycling. So until we get a new... I'm going to put that back up. Put the screw and the machine turned off. Put that back in. All my screws are on. And as you can see, now it's cycling. So that has happened, whether it be the water cycle or the rinse cycle or whatever. You might try that. So again, this is a Kenmore stackable. I want to say this thing is at least 10 years old. And this year is 2018, so maybe it's a 2008. I will find out and look it up. So, hope that helps.